In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal business account back to a personal account. If you found that a business account no longer suits your needs, don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through this process. First, let's discuss PayPal's official policy. According to PayPal's Help Center, most business accounts cannot be automatically downgraded using any kind of self-service option. Essentially, if you wish to revert from a business to a personal account, PayPal advises that you might need to create a completely new personal account. Especially if you have a specific email address linked to your current business account that you'd like to continue using, you'll likely need to close the business account before proceeding. Now, let's explore your options in detail. Option A. Contacting PayPal support. Begin by logging into your PayPal business account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Help section located on PayPal's homepage and click on Contact Us. Alternatively, you can reach out to them via an email, chat, or even a phone call if that's more convenient for you. When you make contact, clearly state your intention to have your business account downgraded to a personal account. It's important to be prepared for identity verification questions that PayPal may ask you for security reasons. During your conversation with PayPal support, you may also want to discuss what will happen with your transaction history and any bank accounts or credit cards that you have linked to your PayPal account. Depending on the policies in place at the time, PayPal might be able to downgrade your account without having to close it, effectively saving you the extra steps. Option B. Opening a new personal PayPal account. If contacting customer support doesn't work or seems too cumbersome, there's another route you can take. PayPal allows you to hold both a personal and a business account under your name. The key is that each account must use a unique email address. If you're in a situation where you want to use the same email address or the same banking and credit card links, you'll generally have to close your business account first. Once that is done, you can proceed to create a new personal account using that email address or associated banking details. These are the primary avenues through which you can manage your PayPal account transition. It's advisable to weigh both options and consider what suits your specific needs best before making any decisions. Remember, your specific situation might offer unique challenges, so don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal for assistance tailored to your particular needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope I've provided the guidance you need to successfully switch your PayPal account to a personal one.